Hello people, welcome back to Teja Saris, and today's session is going to be on this beautiful and exclusive Gadwal silks. Hello all, hi. And thank you so much for the lovely response on Mangalgiri Saris Sunday. It's a super duper hit show and we are just left with a very few saris. And before we start the show, so today's our sister's collection is this beautiful anarkalis with kalamkari yokes in 3 different color palette. So that's the first one. It's a completely floral printed kalamkari yoke with a self sequin embroidery embellishment with a contrast yellow dupatta, and it's completely self-dressed in a very unique color tone. And next comes a contrast color with nice pastel yoke with a bright peach and sequins cut beads embellishment and a contrast georgette peach pleated dress anarkali. And the next one is a nice subtle combo with light grey color and orange, bright orange. Again a floral kalamkari printed with sequin embroidery, embellishment and pleated georgette anarkali with contrast orange net dupatta. So these 3 are the new sets ready, available in store for sizes 32, 34, 36 and 38. So for price details and further inquiries, please do WhatsApp us on 8341 382 382. So check the glance of today's collection. Beautiful traditional colors. It's been quite a long time that we have done a Gadwal live. We have very different color palette this time, and the regular traditional colors to patu. We have a very unique color palette this time. Okay, so let's get started. Hello. So my look for today is this beautiful Gadwal silk sari in a very unique and a very different color tone. It's greyish stuff mixed tone and with a nice magenta pink contrast border and silver zari. It's a pretty big border. At the bottom it's approximately up to 12-13 inches of border, and on the top we have a smaller border and beautiful peacock motifs with meenakari in between them, and that's the contrast pallu and a plain contrast blouse with the same border for the sleeves. So this is number
13.
Alright, so the one I'm wearing is sari number 13 and the price is 21,800. Sorry, 19,500 is the price of the one I'm wearing, and sari number is 13. Alright, so let's get started. So that's the first sari in a very beautiful shade of peacock green and a nice magenta pink contrast border in medium size. Both sides equal size of border. And I don't know if you guys must remember it or not. A client picture post Chesamandri, that's pretty much the same combination that she's wearing, and a lot of people have been requested for that particular sari. This is the one which is very similar to the one my client is wearing. That's the contrast pallu in magenta pink and a contrast plain blouse with the same border for the sleeves. So this is sari number 1. And the price of this sari is 19,500. And guys, I wanted to tell this to all of you one day. అన్ని సారీస్ ప్రైజెస్ పెరిగినాయండి, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ గద్వాల్, పటోలా, పోచంపల్లి, ఇక్కత్, కంచి, బనారస్. ఈ సారీ అని కాదు, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ సారీ, ద జరీ, the silk thread, the fabric, each and everything as prices have gone up. So this saree is usually it's 18,600. Most of you guys must be knowing it, but this time it is 19,500 because of the hike in the prices. So please note this point before you say that it's expensive or this is not the price of the last time. So this is what I wanted to tell you, and I'm really trying my best not to hike too much because I don't want to shock my clients as my viewers are doing to me. But minimum tappatledu naku. Hope you understand. So this is saree number 1 and the price is 19,500. So moving on. So that's the next saree in a very beautiful shade of pink with a navy blue border and a peacock green kora. Medium size border on both the sides. And self checks along with gold zari motifs all through the sari body, and a nice matte small border along with temples in deep navy blue and a peacock green kora. And the pink shade is absolutely very stunning, and that's the contrast pallu and blouse in deep navy blue. That's the blouse piece. This is saree number 2 and the price is 19,500. So moving on. That's another beautiful color and a very rare combination in Gadwal, which is again in a peacock green shade, or we can also call it as Rama green, with a nice maroon or a burgundy shade of contrast border with a green kora. Medium size border, both sides equal size, and gold and silver zari alternate motifs all through the sari body. That's the beautiful contrast pallu and blouse. That's the blouse. So that's the whole look of the sari, and the combination is absolutely very nice. This is sari number 3 and the price is 19,500. So that's the next sari in my favorite combination of navy blue and magenta pink. This is one of the prettiest combination in Gadwal we usually find. And the border style is double border style with the pattu line in between the double borders with gold zari. A very unique sari. The concept is very nice. Smaller border on the top and golden zari motifs all through the sari body alternate. Lovely sari. I think we also have one more color in this. That's the contrast pallu. That's a rich contrast pallu and a plain contrast blouse along with the same border for the sleeves. Beautiful and a traditional sort of sari in Gadwal. This is sari number 4, alright? And the price is 21,800. So that's the next color. So this is in the shade peacock green or Rama green with a magenta pink contrast border as the previous one. It's absolutely the same design in a different color. Smaller top border and a bigger border in a double border style. Gold and silver zari motifs alternate all through the sari body. That's the beautiful rich contrast pallu and a contrast plain blouse with the same border for the sleeves. So that's the whole look of it. This is sari number 5 and the price is 21,800. The next one. This is an absolute favorite combination andi. Chaana baagundi saree, especially the shade of green. It's a dual tone which is giving us the beautiful mehendi green look, and the border is in contrast navy blue. Beautiful border along with gold and silver zari, and it's pretty much both sides equal size of border. It's not too big. The border is approximately medium to large, and gold and silver zari motifs alternate all through the sari body. It's a lovely sari. The combination is really rich. And that's the contrast pallu and blouse in deep navy blue. It's a plain blouse with the same border for the sleeves. And that's the whole look of the sari. Lovely combination. Mehendi green with navy blue, number 6.
21.
And the price is 21,800. Saree number 6, 21,800. Now here comes blue and dark blue. Another rich saree. ఇలాంటి సారీస్ గద్వాల్లో ఉంటే కంచి సారీస్కి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరమే లేదు కదా. This gives it the required grandeur and the lightweight a feel which only gets us in Gadwal. Another brocade style, Kanchi style of Gadwal saree in light blue and dark blue with a green kora contrast. It's a bigger border on the bottom, approximately 12 to 13 inches, and smaller version on the top. And that's the rich contrast pallu along with orange meenakari. Very rich pallu and a plain contrast blouse with the same border for the sleeves. Check this out. This is saree number 19 and the price is 24,500. Saree number 19, 24,500. So moving on to the next one, which is this beautiful bottle green and magenta pink with silver zari border. And lovely peacock motifs in gold and silver zari alternate along with this meenakari. Very beautiful sari and a bigger border. This is exactly the same sari that I'm wearing in a different color tone. This is bottle green and magenta pink. Silver zari borders and gold and silver zari alternate motifs on the body. That's the rich pallu in gold zari and a plain contrast blouse with the same border for the sleeves. This is sari number 20 and the price is 19,500. Moving on to the next one. One more very unique, different color combination in there, which is in this leaf green shade, along with this beautiful, very pretty motifs of peacock, along with the meenakari. Absolutely stunning, stunning motifs. Chaala bagundi mudduga. And the border is in light sapota color, sort of color, in silver zari. Very different shade. That's the contrast pallu and blouse. A very rich blouse and a pallu. Plain blouse with the same border for the sleeves. Number
21.
Saree number 21 and the price is 19,500. One more rare shade. Burnt orange color la undandi. So this is in the shade burnt orange and a deep navy blue with a bottle green kora. Very unique color, very very stunning it is, and trust me, this will look really lovely once you wear it. Especially the color combination is very very different. Burnt orange or a rustish orange with a deep navy blue border and a green kora. Gold and silver zari motifs alternate all through the sari body and a lovely border. That's the contrast rich pallu and plain blouse. Saree number
22.
and the price is 19,500. Saree number 22, 19,500. 19,600. So these are one of my favorites these days in Gadwal. We have a beautiful colors in this. These are not the regular colors we usually find. Anni kachitanga ilanti colors manaki only Gadwal lone vastai. Definitely 101% nadi guarantee. Especially the color tone, the play of colors, are kalnata different shades kanivandi. We definitely can't find such colors in any other pattu. Look at the saree. It's a lovely saree and the typical grey kadu. It's a mix of magenta, pink and grey, which is giving that the beautiful color tone. The gold and silver zari alternate floral motifs and a very beautiful traditional Kanchi style border, and especially the border color chudandi. I don't know how to describe the color, but it's not black, guys. I hope it's looking like black in the video. It is not at all a black color. It's giving us that burgundy coffee brown color look anipistundi, and it's a very deep shade with a magenta pink kora. Smaller border on the top, and that's the beautiful rich pallu and blouse. Chaala bagundi kada. So this is saree number 23 and the price is 21,800. Saree number 23, 21,800. We have 3 or 4 colors in this. Yes, and this is one more color in the same pattern, which is this lovely blue shade and green with a burnt orange kora. It's the same saree and design as the previous one, it's just another color. blue and green with a burnt orange kora, another rare combination. So that's the contrast pallu and blouse in this green, a very elegant shade of green. That's the blouse. Saree number?
24.
Saree number 24, and the price is 21,800. And one more color in this is, oh, this is another lovely color shade. Look at the saree color and the green. This is just so not the regular green. It's again a very beautiful dual tone of navy blue and green. Chala different green. Chala baagundi kuda. And the border is in deep navy blue with the contrast magenta pink kora. Absolutely stunning. The combination is really pretty. And that's the contrast rich pallu and plain deep navy blue blouse with the same border for the sleeves. This is saree number 25 and the price is 21,800. We have one more lovely shade in the color wineish purple with a contrast green tone and a magenta pink kora. Another lovely shade, and you look at the purple tone, especially general violets or purples la ledu. It's a wineish purple, absolutely beautiful. And the color contrasting is a green shade used along with this magenta pink kora. This combination kuda chaala baagundi. It's very hard to choose one among this because it's such a different color palette used and very rare it is. So that's the contrast rich pallu and blouse. Number 26, and the price is 21,800. I think these are the 4 colors in this style. So moving on. So this is a nice red saree with a mustard yellow, traditional combination, and a beautiful peacock motifs all through the body along with green meenakari used among the peacocks. Smaller border on the top and a beautiful big border approximately 10 to 12 inches at the bottom. Red and mustard yellow. That's the contrast pallu and blouse in mustard yellow. Saree number 27. 19,600 is the price. ఈ కలర్ మాత్రం వీడియోలో కరెక్ట్గా వస్తుందా? చాలా 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 మంచి బ్లూ అండి. గ్రీనిష్ బ్లూ ఆర్ లైట్ బ్లూ కాదు. It's a very typical and a very pretty shade of blue. Traditional double border style. Smaller border on the top and very nice and small smart motifs all through the saree body. And completely gold zari. Chala baagundandi saree. Very elegant saree. That's the pallu and blouse in self blue. Very nice color. Chala baagundi. Number 28 and the price is 21,800. Saree number 28, 21,800. So this is the evergreen saree which we are repeating from last 3-4 shows I guess, which is in the shade red and navy blue. Nice broad and thin checks pattern all through the saree body and a lovely kanchi border, double border style with medium size, both sides equal size of border. That's the pallu and blouse in deep navy blue and the blouse is with checks pattern along with the same border for the sleeves. Number 29 and the price is 22,800. Last saree in the show. So this is a lovely shade of pink and purple. A very elegant shade of pink and a very beautiful shade of purple. Smaller border on the top, gold and silver zari motifs alternate on the body and a beautiful big border at the bottom. Chana baagundandi. Color combination is absolutely bright and beautiful. That's the contrast blouse and pallu. It's a rich pallu and a plain contrast blouse with the same border for the sleeves. So check the whole look. Number 20. Okay, saree number 30 and the price is 22,800. Saree number 30, 22,800. Last saree in today's show. So that's a wrap up guys. Hope you all like the collection. So please do block your sarees as soon as possible on the number 8341382382. So see you soon with the next set of beautiful Patola sarees. I'm so excited. We got amazing response on Patola sarees and on huge request. We got a lot of sarees back in stock. They're ready in store. People who can walk in can directly walk in and pick your favorite ones, and we're going to do a show very soon. See you.